Okay, so man, last night, well, I'm not even gonna say last night, but late yesterday, I watched the car. And you know, for daylight saving time, like right now it's 7 something. But it started getting dark around 5:30 last night. And I ended up watching my car late. So, you know, I'm still trying to work with these camera settings and everything, because you know I'm just loving this camera, you know, using it for vlog and everything. And I watched my car last night, and let's just say if I would have left my car out here in the driveway, it would have been looking like that. And I would have been extremely pissed. Me and my nappy head ass. And you can see me. But anyway, 2 reasons why I want to start the video off like this. I know a lot of people was just asking me, bro, why you do not have tint on your car yet? I've been trying to find a good tint person. I know some good tint people, but the price is ridiculous. Some people trying to recommend me ceramic tint, talking about it'll keep your car cooler and block out a lot of sun, like a lot of heat and all that. Look here, I think dark tint gonna do that shit anyways. I'm planning on getting 5% tint, and I think that would just really do it justice. And 2, somebody had DM'd me, and a lot of people asked me, whoever's seen my car in person, why is my emergency key cap is missing. I didn't have my car for like 3 months, and the car had died while up at the dealership, and you know, they couldn't get in the car. Basically, they couldn't get in the car. They had the key fob, so they used the emergency key, put the key up on there and popped it off. I'm about to go ahead and head to the shop. Wait, I actually left my kit in the house. I need to put that in the car. But I'm finna get y'all a cold start. Not gonna lie, that sounds real good, but y'all know me. Y'all know I have to get me that sauce. Put them long tubes on. Another X pipe. I don't know if I'm gonna do a full catback, but something's gonna have to take place. For sure. I for sure gotta get tint put on this car. But purpose of this video, we going to get those done, baby. Y'all know what time it is. Cold start. I know what time it is. It's time to bring back. It's time to bring back that orange. Even though the car green, but I'm bringing back the old DeAndre 10K. Everybody that know Nala, that knew Nala, heard Nala, seen her, y'all know who Nala is. She had this kit, so therefore we about to put her on. I have a name, kind of don't have a name. I do have a name, but I don't know if I want to tell y'all yet because I'm still debating. But you know what time it is. Even though they discontinued the Shelby, I'ma still keep this car original. Like really, there's nothing you should do on this Shelby, like exterior wise. I mean, you could probably possibly do a lift something. I could always change the rims. I might put my old rims back on and order the other two, because the other two is busted. Put some Ferrado rims on here. I'm gonna keep the splitter, keep the bumper. I'm not putting the R splitter on. Look, I could put the track pack spoiler on, but hell no, this is a 20, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. Somebody told me I should put a cow hood on the Shelby. I'm keeping the stripes. I'm trying to keep the stripes as long as I can. And all right, really that's it. Like on Nala, like yeah, I knew I had took the GT badge off and put on my own lit Nala badge, and then I had took off No, it was a 5.0 badge. And I took the GT badge off the Shelby light emblem on it, but it had Nala on it and stuff. But therefore, with this car, I don't know how to do that because it's a Shelby. Man, this shit gonna look good too. Man, you gotta love that. I love that transmission. I love this Alcantara steering wheel. I just love the snake that's sitting in front of me. Man, it's such a beautiful car, man. But I'm on my way to the headlight shop, man. Chris is an amazing guy. He's real good at what he do. Him and his team. And man, I've been trusting him with anything that comes with lights. I've been trusting him ever since with my last Mustang. So I know he's gonna get this one right. He wanted to do some other lights. I said, nah, it's too soon for that yet. But man, like I said, I got some plans coming with this car. So she finna get lit, boy. I'm trying to tell you, finna get lit. Which way do I want to take that? I want to turn. No, I'm gonna keep straight. I'm gonna keep straight for now. I got to get this thing tinted, my keycap put on, and after that, I think that's when I'm gonna start the performance mods. So just gotta wait and see. I'm still debating if I want to do headers or not, because that's really what's getting me. Like nothing's wrong with this voodoo. Like there is nothing wrong with this tone of the car, but I just think I should just have at least some type of loudness. I'm gonna have my X pipe on deck for sure. Made it to the shop. Y'all, for the people that know who've been watching my channel, man, y'all know what spot that is, man. They legendary as fuck. Basically, guys, I'm just on in the video here. I'm just dropping the car off. It's gonna take him some time to do what he gotta do. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And basically, man, he's about to get lit from there. See, look, at first, because he really just got here. You ain't even open at first. I'm finna go put him on camera. He probably won't be on camera, but I know he fuck with me. I'm finna go put his ass on camera.
I can snap a couple pictures and send to you, or if you want to come by and get a couple, you know, I know how the content world goes. So
yeah.
You want to do.
That's why I had to grab one of your cards and put it on camera.
There you go. We got some bigger ones there too.
Oh yeah, okay, that would help too.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, y'all see the card. Good business.
And we'll see you.
All right, appreciate it. Yes, sir. I will be back. I will be back. Sit well, baby.